you ask why you're using carrots in a keto recipe, well, you can have carrots in keto, but you have to keep your portion size in control. If you want, you can completely omit carrots and just replace them with cabbage. And yes, I know you're going to need one of these, and you're going to ask the question, where did I buy this? Ye kahan se mila hame? Well, the link is in the description. There are a lot of these available. This is a very nice kitchen tool. You can make grilled sandwiches, grilled chicken in it, and just directly goes on a stove top, no electric oven or anything needed. And this one also, this is a cheaper one. This is a cheaper version. You can make sandwiches again in this as well. And a lot of them are available. So go buy one, invest in one, and enjoy your cooking.
Arey wow!